welcome back to CVR Rocket, and in this video we are going to order a pizza. Yes, that was little pizza, but and again, if you feel hungry while coding, what can you do? So okay, without wasting any time, so what basically it is like, we have an Domino's API and which we can configure using the Python environment. So what basically we need to do, like this will be like tech byte-ish and off-track-ish combination of that both video. So we are going to see the same thing, like we will order pizza by coding. Take down to code rundown of this ordering of pizza.
Basically start by like from pizza API import all, creating customer details like first name, last name, email ID and phone number. Address to, we can attach both in one or in other thing. As you can see, the double comments is an alternate way by toggling little bit with the script. We can make in our own way. And then nearest to finding, and then menu search, and these are some list items and you can add them and you can also remove, obviously. And then information you will be getting, and this is like placing the order with card. Some testing inputs, place for real cards and for testing purpose, pay in, and the double commented is an like alternative way by toggling little bit with the script. And then it's up and running, and give some details and order any pizza. Script according to ours by toggling with the script, like pizza API, like double commented ways.
Delivery, it's on the way. So guys, I had pizza, it was nice. So that was the ordering of pizza by coding. Hope to see you in the next video. Until then, signing off, CVR with .close.